Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Fusion bumper. Before we begin, it is crucial to gather all your essential tools, such as a ratchet, a set of sockets, and a trim removal tool. Always ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the parking brake is firmly engaged. For your safety, remember to wear appropriate gear like gloves and eye protection. Taking these initial steps will make the entire process much smoother and safer for you. Let's start with the upper fasteners of the front bumper. First, open your hood and locate the plastic push pins along the top edge of the bumper cover. Use your trim removal tool to carefully pry these out. There are usually about 6 to 8 of them. After that, move to the front wheel wells. You will find several screws, typically Phillips head, inside each wheel well liner that connect the bumper to the fender. Remove these on both the driver and passenger sides. Now, let's address the lower fasteners and electrical connections. Get underneath the front of your Ford Fusion and remove any remaining bolts or screws along the bottom edge of the bumper cover. There are typically 4 to 6 of these. Before fully detaching, carefully disconnect any electrical connectors for components like fog lights, parking sensors, or the ambient air temperature sensor. Once all fasteners are removed, gently pull the bumper straight away from the vehicle to release any final clips. After successfully removing the bumper, immediately place it on a soft, clean surface, such as a blanket or cardboard, to prevent any scratches or damage. Take this opportunity to inspect both the bumper and your vehicle for any signs of damage or broken clips that might need replacement. When you are ready to reinstall, simply reverse the removal process. Ensure all electrical connections are securely reattached, and every fastener is tightened to its proper specification before you drive your Ford Fusion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.